Yedaswa, our Ghana's party in the park. Yes, so we should Juu Tv. Yeday, Momadia, Nasa, we say we are, what like it. Now like it we are, what subscriber? So subscriber, Yeday, and my more vim, na my mora, na see your immune system no. Na ma dani danina, yenya hoden. Aye program for fraud ya bro. Me say, and now, yenya ba fe ya o wa say. Me kra me wan me nim se o mo sisi dan. Estate developers, ebe to me aba program we be. Me twama me nia ba hwe edan fe ana wa ha. Me bi sansa dan mo si wo hia wo se Ghana na me say ayi. Ani me ma nko ma so mu. Enti sabre ye ni ye nua ba na ebedi nkomo. Ebise bisa nsem. Ai, as my love. Welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you very much.
Can you please tell the audience, tell our people your name and where you come from? Either you live here, this country, UK, or Ghana.
My name is Belinda Satar Donzo. I'm the Assistant Sales and Marketing Manager for Gold Key Properties, a fully owned Ghanaian real estate developer in Accra, Ghana.
In Accra, Ghana. Okay. Which place? Which place did your estate developers' houses, your houses, located?
So we develop mainly in prime areas in Accra. That's Cantonments, Airport, Laboni, Northridge, East Legon. Those are mainly the areas that we are developing now. But we are looking into moving into areas like Chado. That's just the neighborhood behind Ghana Trade Fair International Center.
Many are non samatio. Ye didn't come off for dying home. A dying yesisi. Says Asasato and Yezo, Okotosa. Manswa ya no betrupa sana utia didi mama wanya wasase no me kura bi atome me ankasa almighty Juu masase e bi atome nti asema meken enye entro bi na me twa enti se nyame ye wadom na unya estate developers say papa bi say na se omo sisi dan omo ton sase na obenya bi ato a eye save ema wo hoto abrochefo why the mamun dia agro mamun jeja mo ho meni aba tamben na wo sha ase se mo yes our business no.
So Gold Key has been in business for 25 years. This year we celebrate 25 years of building prestige. So people can actually count on us. We have the track record not to disappoint you. We put up our buildings on time and we offer payments plan for the period of construction. So if you want to buy from us, we offer you our products off plan and you choose your unit. So as we build, you make payments. By the time the building is completed, you would have also completed payments and we hand over the unit to you.
Okay, that is fine. I me pesa mi church mu twi na twi for no so mate ase no on kan brofo na brofo no so almost so nte ase me nua ba motons ase. Do you sell land?
No, so we don't sell lands. We develop to sell, but we don't sell lands.
Okay, so if somebody, for example, like me, I have land, I have to give you to your agency to build it for me. Is it possible?
So we take land from people on what we call joint venture relationship. So if you have a land and it is in a location that favors our business, we can come into an agreement with you where we develop and we would own some of the units and you also own some of the units. But we don't develop solely just for people.
Okay. So who was a kesie? Mo sisi mo daya. Moton. Okay. And I know how many bedrooms and amusisi na ne bo so eda say.
There were different types of properties and then it also depends on the location. So we have townhouses and we have apartments. So for the apartments, we have studios, we have 1-bedroom apartments, we have 2 bedrooms, we have 3-bedroom apartments. And for the townhouses, we have 4-bedroom plus staff quarters. But in the developments I mentioned, which is coming up in Chado, we are going to have 2-bedroom townhouses, 3-bedroom townhouses, and 4-bedroom townhouses. Our most recent development, which is Cantonment City Tower, the studio started off selling at $99,950. So that is the starting point for our units.
Okay, so bedroom, 1 bedroom house, that one start from 99.
Yes, please. That's what we call the studio.
Okay. And yeah, no watch them because UK hire car studio. Yeah, studio no dan bi ketewa bi but dan o bathroom shem o kitchen shem.
Yeah, we bibisa. So we have the studio and I 1 bedroom so yes.
More 1 bedroom house, 1 bedroom flat and a studio house.
There be a flats into studio flats, 1 bedroom flats, 2 bedroom flats, and 3 bedroom flats.
That's it. Pa, minua ba, that's it. Send your watch mu actually, that's it. It says no, say obi per se, onya a yinibia, onya a dinibia. Mu obi wo ho, ebi MCC a mwasisi a, so obi per so tobia. Obodi skabaya obenya biana.
Me pacha on Cecilia no ye will be our North Ridge, which is just next to the Canadian High Commission. And no a 3-bedroom apartment. Is going for $350,000.
Okay. All right. Me pesa odo number 2 ja. Say obi pesa obeto dan ni bia. Abrochefo makao. Me say yemfa ni obi ankra. Me abena chanjuluju. Almighty masase ye dey akame say anyasem ketwa ai masase no nyame amoa me nsenka enti unya bibi sei na yesi dan na wie na wokoto a wutu susu a na wokoto a aya wo dia afebo obia na ontwema nso obia na anameboa so obia na ontwema
da bida mansu bia eni ho
ahai mesa bisa ne ntina bisa no o se manso bia ni so enti wokokwaja asase na wo ye free mesa asase edan wokoto dan na wo ye free anyasa
me pacho sa pepepe
any fa number to join so obi pese obeto bia fa number to join na office no sa ka biem na obi hu ba bia wo sa de be ya obi pese obeto dan ni bia obe wo free ya na waba.
Okay. So for more information about Gold Key Properties, kindly visit our website on www.goldkeyghana.com. You can also visit our social media handles using Gold Key Ghana. And then you can call us on the numbers 0555-887777. You can also call 0555-887799. Kindly remember to add the Ghana code, which is +233.
Many no me adofo yeda mwase monko so anhwa Juu TV ana ya wo de ya ne de asemo yesi ye ba ema businesses only business a ye nta na omo papa ye pe omo abiebie nwuma ne ye promote omo hwe aya na enkofo se de bia meka no omo nim se abrochire efo ne ye mobra efom twitwie mire wafo to ne pepa ye hwe mponkosen but mahu Safe mo hu niema hodo a aba ha sei enya sem keto a enya fedi agrokra ye nuaba e da se bebre Juu TV ye tiefo ne ahwefo ye da se ye pese wo chia wadofo e wo Ghana any UK ha ne babia.
Okay, so we thank all people who are in partnership with Gold Key, from our buyers to our contractors to everybody who helps us to bring our products to life. We say thank you.
Where you? You. Well, Rabba or Mubao. Who go school way? Don't go. Who go school way?
We go school Ghana.
Ghana Evan, go school.
Holy child.
Rabba when you papa. Zam. Thank you. Juu TV na hweno. Koswa na hweye. Yeda mwase. Aya ni edi mu besie. That's it.